Hi, Emmanuel here. Now today I want to share with you an amazing e-commerce opportunity that you could take advantage of today. Now if you're new to my channel, I produce regular videos of how to make money online and how you can earn a stable income doing so. So what is this e-commerce opportunity? Now the opportunity that I'm talking about is in the area of retail shopping. I came across a headline recently that read 22.3 million transactions done every day. Now that was in Thailand alone. Thailand has a population of 70 million people. Now let me ask you a question. Do you know how many transactions are done online every day? People buying products, services online? It's 3.5 billion. 3.5 billion transactions done worldwide every day, and there's an opportunity for you to tap into that stream to earn a lasting income. Now this is the way it works. When people shop, you get paid. When you shop, you get rewarded, and if you do it right, you get paid. Okay, it's as simple as that. And I'm not talking Amazon, I'm not talking eBay, I'm not talking Alibaba. This is an opportunity where you could earn attractive commissions on every transaction that is done on shopping. Now I'm going to leave a link in the description below that will give you more details, so you could have a clearer, bigger picture of how you could tap into this earning income stream. You know guys, this is big and you don't want to miss out of this. Imagine if you could get rewarded doing the things that you usually do every day. Think about it. Every month I make regular transactions to pay for things that I need for my domestic well-being and for my business. Sometimes I don't feel like making those purchases, but since I found out about this opportunity and I realized there's a way to earn while doing my regular activities, while doing my regular shopping, and while other people are doing their regular shopping, it's a hands-off opportunity. In fact, I earn while sleeping. You don't have to do anything. All you just have to do is to tap into this income stream. So it's something you would like to check out for yourself. Check the link in the description below. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, leave them in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you could get more regular updates on videos that I produce on other online earning opportunities. Now this is real, and I would like to encourage you to check it out. Now stay focused, stay committed, don't deviate from your pursuit, and you will reap rewards in no distant time. So thank you for watching my this video. I wanted to make this video very short. Check out the link in the description below, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye for now.